Okay, let's solve this inequality this way. We'll say 24 is greater than 4x minus 4. Add 4 to both sides, and you get 28 is greater than 4x. Divide by 4, and you get x is greater than, what's 28 divided by 4? 7. So x is greater than 7. We can go over to the number line, and we'll plot that. Let's say 7 is right here. Open circle going to the right. That's x is greater than 7. Let me do that one more time. X is greater than 7. Going this way. Okay. So then the other part of the inequality is, let's do this in blue. 4x minus 4 is greater than 12. So you'll add 4 to both sides, and you get 4x is greater than 16. We'll divide by 4, and you get x is greater than 4. So let's go over here to our number line, and let's say that this is, 6, so that this is 5, 4, and this is 3 right here. So x, it says, is greater than 4, so we'll do an open circle right here, and we'll go this way. I'm sorry, that first line is incorrect. So x is less than 7 should be pointed in this direction, so let's redo that one. X is less than 7, we'll do that in red. Open circle going this way. Try that again. So x is open circle, less than 7 is going that way. And then in blue, we'll do x is greater than 3, it's going this way. So all the solutions to the inequality rest between these two open circles. So for example, a good solution to this inequality would be the number 5.